Woo! All right, fellas. It's the next day. We're in Louisiana because that's how you say it. We're actually outside the Salvation Army family thrift store. I'm wearing the same thing that I wore yesterday just for the congruity of the video. But also, man, last night I left Plato's closet and I didn't record this just because it was a random interaction. But I see a chick walk out of the store with some Jordan 13s and I'm like, hey, did you try and sell those to them? She was like, yeah, they didn't buy them. So I was like, what size are they? She was like, 11. I was like, how much? She's like, I don't know, like 20 bucks. Bruh. She goes, yeah, I broke up with my boyfriend, so I'm selling his stuff. I was like, oh, word? And bro, I copped the cool gray 13s for 20 bucks, bro.
Fuck with me.
And what's even crazier is, these are my size, bruh. So yeah, man, she was like, thank you so much. She was so lit off selling her man's clothes. So guys, don't leave your J's at your girl's house if y'all's relationship is on the rocks. Let's put it that way. Anyways, I already stopped by one store today. Only found one find that didn't let to play Memphis jersey. I don't know, he plays for Man U, or he did. But yeah, let's get in this store now. Oh my gosh, what a cute little Salvation Army. The one thing I found in here is the Tommy for who? For your mommy polo. I think I gotta get it for the cufflets. Let's go. All right, guys, so all I got in that store was that one Tommy Hilfiger polo. Bro, that store was so small. Like, I had to whisper when I was recording because it's like the size of an enlarged closet. But anyways, we're outside the next store. So we've been in 2 stores, got 2 finds outside of Trill Wheel. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're in here. Check the surroundings. It is oddly dark in this store, but I found that one little delicious piece of alcoholic beverage find. Oh, dive in it, boys. It's the Crown Royal hat. They want $6 for this. Tripping. I don't know if I'll get it. We'll see if anything else is in here because I can't go 3 stores, 3 finds. Just nah. No. We really out here, man. 3 stores, 3 finds. Malibu's most wanted in this, boy.
Earth is my planet.
Alright guys, so I just skirted off the road. I saw this flea market and take a look at my surroundings right now. See, this is what I live for on these road trips. Now there's just so much stuff in here. I can't get to a lot of the clothes that are behind these bikes. But I found this Chaps Ralph Lauren jacket. This thing is hard, red, white, and blue. Chaps right there, and then they have a bunch of tiny little J's. So I'm gonna see if I can get access to some of these and maybe look at some of the clothes in the back. But this is what I love to do, baby. Dive in these old places and get that golden cock. Man, there's just like so much to look at. It's overwhelming. Damn, bruh, this is fire. They got the old school Minnie Mouse piggy bank too. Nice. Oh my God, guys. I'm not gonna hold you, man. I found some fire up in there. I was dealing with the homie Darnell, and so he was coming up and we were negotiating the prices, so it's very extremely impossible / hard to record while we're just pulling stuff out. But just know, man, I got some stuff. I bought this fire Nike jacket off his back. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got, I guess, in a second. Dude, a police just passed me up. Thank God she was staring at her laptop and not at me vlogging. But, oh, it's lit. All right, guys, so here's one of the jackets that I got. It's that 8-ball leather jacket. Absolutely glorious, you dig, by FaZe. And then here's one of the 2 Nike jackets I got. The other Nike jacket is just way too buried and I don't feel like playing Jenga in the car. But look at that, man. Navy blue and white. And then I also grabbed an accoutrement, the dead stock vintage Peter Pan figurine. So clean. Hi. All right, guys, we're in Slidell, Louisiana right now, baby. I just got stared down, boy. Let's get inside. I found 2 dirty M&M dispensers, bruh. And oh, I stopped by one more store. I found this color blocked hoodie and an Alabama crimson tie tee. This store is notorious for sucking, so let's see if it switched up in the year since I've been gone. Hey dude, they did switch up. We got 2 brand new vintage used finds. Dude, you got the Tennessee. You guys know you're the only 10 I see. Ooh, you got the Tennessee all embroidered vintage crew neck right there, Midwest embroidery. Oh hell yeah, that's American. And then you got the Woods in Gravy. Oh no, it says Woods by Gray or something like that. Woods and Gravy, that's a good combination. Vintage stripes, come on man, got to. $8 for both combined. Bro, look at this banger, dude. Aqua 8 color scheme. This vintage jacket goes hard, and it has another jacket zipped into it. 2 jackets in one. Stop. I gotta see how much this is though, but it's dope. All right guys, man. Jumping out of Goodwill, baby. Shout out Slidell, Louisiana. I need y'all to Slidell into these DMs, you dig? No, I'm just kidding. Shout out this guy on his phone, bro. People would just be parking lot staring out here in Louisiana, bro. Like they ain't never seen me before, bro. They better hit subscribe, bro. They better hit subscribe. No, let me stop. But let me put on this jacket, because this jacket goes hard, Dad Nabbit. That's me snowboarding. Tripping. In other news, here are the M&Ms I got. They are dirty as hell. You got this dude on his motorcycle, and then you got the M&M straight hooping. I gotta clean them. I feel like they're covered in asbestos or just interior M&M residue. So yeah, a little chocolate powder. Anyways, let's hit up another store. All right guys, so we have arrived. I think we're in Alabama right now, outside of America's thrift store. There are a lot of observers in the parking lot, but that's what happens sometimes, man. But without further ado, let's get inside. All right, guys, we're in the mix, bro. This store smells like straight trash. Ew. Like, no lie, bro. It smells so bad. It's very large. Holy hell. But I already looked through all the men's clothes, and I got 3 finds. All 3 of y'all in the same colorway that I am currently wearing, which is absurd. You got the Tony Stewart double-sided NASCAR tee. Boy is just splooging all over the game. And then you have the Travis Scott Stroke My Cactus. No, Stroke My Reese's. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup crew neck. Of course I gotta get that bad boy, little chocolate delight. And then you have a dope vintage Nike turtleneck made in USA white tag right there, $6. Yeah, gonna get all of these. Bro, why is their mug section smacking so hard? You got the Houston, Texas. You guys know it's H-Town, Texas. Braeswood, baby.
It's H-Town, Texas. Braeswood, baby.
You also have Sylvester over here solving crossword puzzles. Nice. Little panda. And then you got the yellow peanut M&M playing basketball just like his blue brethren. The VHS section on lock. You guys already know what I tuned into right here. You got Michael Jordan, Come Fly With Me. Oh man, isn't that like a Sinatra song? Not exactly sure. Similar voice though. Dang, this thing is a little bit faded, beat up for sure, but definitely is gonna be worth a watch. This is from 1989, so he hadn't really even done shit yet. Wow. It got a completely different movie on the inside. That is so sad. But that's why you check, daddy. That is why you check. All right, baby, and we out of there. America, baby. Yeah, that store was kind of lacking for how huge it was, but it smelled like butt. So anyways, man, we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. But yeah, nice. All right, so after that last store, guys, my energy honestly feels kind of down, but literally like 5 minutes away is this Goodwill. Hopefully you guys can see it. So I figure I might as well just go up in here and see if they have anything, because you never know unless you go. Oh man, guys, we hopped in here and this is wild, bro. I saw it glistening and shine. You guys know I love gold. Bro, they got the royalty Air Jordan Air Jordan 4s, chrome encrusted. They want 25 bucks for these guys. Kind of beat suede. The quality seems decent on these dudes right here, but these guys, this is what I'm all here for, baby. They got the pure money Air Jordan 4s, right? Easily waiting for customization to happen on these puppies. $24, and they are size 12, which is my size. They got that pure money all embroidered on the back. Oh man, those chrome accents, dude, that is wild. Yeah, I think I got a cop. Damn. Hey, this puppy's kind of tough too. They got the Mandarin collar, Tommy Hilfiger denim button up, but it is unfortunately very stained. Noteworthy for sure though, but I'm feeling it, dude. I'm feeling like there has to be some sauce up in this store. Yo, why did this thrift pull up like this? I told y'all there'd be sauce, man. It's too much sauce, bruh. They got the giant vintage Taz plush, and then homie just swan dove out the cart. You have the giant SpongeBob plush as well, and then up top there's a bunch of M&M dispensers. You got the quota back. I actually have this one right here. You have homies on the roller coaster. This is like $7.
7, bro.
You have the fortune teller dispenser right here. That is wild. All right, they gotta chill, bro. They for real gotta chill. They got the M&Ms in the freaking old school farm truck, straight dispensing chocolate morsels of flavor. This is $10. I gotta get this, man. This one looks sick. And homie is straight peering in the crate. That boy nosy. Oh man. Hey, the joy does not end in the accoutrement section. You got Godzilla, but no, you got the Attack on Titan tee, bruh. Come on, man. That really is like the only anime I watched. But yo, it's a classic. Wow, I'll be damned. That's a hell of a lot of pussy for one shirt. Oh lordy. Hey, we're out of there. Yeah. You dig. Hey, you guys already know what time it is, man. We got the Jordan 4s live outside the thrift store. I'm about to break my freaking wrist, bro. Dog, look at all these bags and stuff. It's crazy out here. I'm glad I stopped in this store though. I think that'll just about do it for today. I'm blessed, baby. I am blessed.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.